Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I will discuss with you about omissions and errors, fill in the blanks and sentence reordering. So students, at first you should know the rules of how to do errors or editing. So here you can see I have written some rules. Point number 1, you should know the grammar the maximum you can. Point number 2, most of the editing and omission contains error. In articles, the verb form, adjective, adverbs use, degree of adjective, preposition, etc. The more you read, the more you become better at finding errors. So you can see these 3 points you have to remember for doing or for detecting errors. Students, here you can see I have given one exercise. So here first I will read the question and the passage and then I will show you the answers. So you can see here it is written, the following passages have not been edited. There is one error in each line. Point out the errors and make corrections. Also underline the correct words. The first one has been done for you. Here we will discuss only one passage and other passages have been given in your worksheets. So now I will read the passage first. The marshmallow is the perfect summer companion. It is rich with water content which can help to care of our body's fluid loss that we suffers in the hot season. It combats heat and thus prevent the heat related disorder. Now students, you can see the answers. So in the first line, the marshmallow is the perfect summer. So here the summer is not correct. Here we should write a instead of the. So I have written in place of correct a and in place of incorrect the. Similarly the second line, companion, it is rich with water. So after rich we can't use the preposition with. It should be in. You can see I have written in place of incorrect with and in place of correct in. Third line, content which can help to care of. So here I have used took, but it should not be written here because till now I have used only present tense. So instead of took, here it should be take. I have written, you can see, in place of correct take and in place of incorrect took. Fourth line next, our body's fluid loss that we suffers. After we can't write suffers because we is plural. So instead of suffers, we should write here suffer. So I have written in place of correct suffer and in place of incorrect suffers. Next line, in the hot season, it combats a heat. So a heat is not correct here. So here it should be the in place of a. So I have written in place of correct the and in place of incorrect a. Next line, and thus prevent the heat related disorder. So here you can see I have written prevent, but the sentence has been started with it. In the previous line you can see. So after it we can't write prevent, it should be prevent. So I have written in place of correct prevents and in place of incorrect prevent. So in this way I have solved this passage and other passages have been given in your worksheets. You have to do at home. Now how to do omissions. Here I have written some points to remember. First, number 1, first of all read the complete passage. 2, know what the passage is all about. You should read the passage, otherwise you will not be able to know what the passage is all about. That means what is written in the passage. Next point, which tense is used. So you should have proper knowledge about tense. Next point, whether active or passive voice is used. So you should have proper knowledge about voice also. Point number 2, in each line one word is missing or omitted. You must have remembered this. So you must remember that In each line, one word is missing or omitted. Next point, you have to write the missing word along with before word and after word. Point number 4, omissions will be based on verbs, tenses, prepositions, determiners, etc. So you should remember these points before doing omissions so that you can do omissions with the help of these points. Now we are going to solve one passage. So students, here you see I have given one passage. So first I will read the question. In the passage given below, one word has been omitted from each line. Write the missing word and the word that comes before and the word that comes after it in your copy. The first one has been done for you. First I will read the passage. Walking very beneficial to us. We should get up early the morning and go for a walk. Those are used to for morning walks will find it impossible to remain bed in the morning. For them, it not so much an exercise but pleasure. So, in the passage, one word has been omitted from each line. Now I will show you the answers. So you can see I have written all the answers. Here you can see the first line, walking very beneficial to us. The example which has been given in the question also, walking is very. So here is missing after walking and before very. So I have written the before word walking and the after word very. Next line, we should get up early the morning. Here it should be early in the morning. So in is missing here. I have written, you can see. Next line, and go for a walk. Those are. So here it should be those who are. Who is missing? I have written, you can see, with the before word and the after word. Next line, used to for morning walks will find it. So here it should be used to going for morning walks. So going is missing here. I have written, you can see, to going for. To is the before word of going and for is the after word of going. Next line, impossible to remain bed in the. So after remain, here in should be written. I have written in the answer, you can see, remain in bed. Next line, morning, for them it not so much. Here it should be written like it is not so much. So I have written, you can see, after it, here the word should be is and then the after word is not. The before word it and the after word is not. Next line, an exercise but pleasure. So here it but a pleasure. So after but there a is missing in this line. So I have written in the answer, you can see, with the before word but and the after word pleasure, I have written the word a. So a is the word. So I hope students you have understood how to do omissions well. Now students, I have given some exercises in your worksheets for you to do at home. So students, after omissions we are going to learn about fill in the blanks. Students, you can see here I have given a passage and there are some blanks are given. First you read the question. Complete the passage given below by filling in each of the blanks with the help of the options that follow. Now I will read the passage first. Flowers dash the pride of spring. They are the dash and sweetest gift of nature, which is put on display dash spring season. Last February a flower show was dash in the local rose garden. Many stalls exhibiting a variety of flowers arranged in various fashions were put up. Now you see below the options have been given. You have to write the correct answer with the help of these options. Now I will show you the answers. So students, you see here, I have filled up the blanks with the correct options. Now I will read the passage again. Flowers are the pride of spring. They are the prettiest and sweetest gift of nature, which is put on display in spring season. Last February, a flower show was organized in the local rose garden. Many stalls exhibiting a variety of flowers arranged in various fashions were put up. So in this way you have to fill up the blanks. So students, now after filling the blanks, we are going to learn about sentence reordering. Students, here first you read the question. Rearrange the following words and phrases to form meaningful sentences. So here I have given some words which you have to rearrange and make meaningful sentences with the help of these words. So first you see the question. Now you see the answers I have written. You must remember the sentence should be in the following form: subject plus verb plus object. So here you can see first number A. I have given numbers to the words so that it can be helpful for me while I will write the answers. So first number 1, as I have given the first word there, then are number 2, then numberless, this word is in number 3, you can see, then stars number 4, then number 5, in number 6, the number 7, sky. Now you read the full sentence. There are numberless stars in the sky. Similarly, I have written the second one. We can't do glow stars the day during but see them. Now I will write the answer with the help of the numbers. You can see I have given numbers above the words. So the answer is we can't see them during the day but stars do glow. Now number C. Twinkling distance the stars of the indicates. I will write the answer with the help of the words number. So twinkling, it is in number 1, twinkling. Then you can see I have given off in 2 number. Then the stars in 3 number. Then indicates in 4 number. The 5 number, distance in 6 number. And now I will write the words chronically. You can see I have written twinkling of the stars indicates the distance. It is the sentence which I have made after rearranging the words. So in this way you have to rearrange words and make meaningful sentences. So students, I hope you have understood how to rearrange words and make meaningful sentences. And in your worksheets also I have given some rearrangeable words so that you can make sentences. Okay students, I hope you all have understood about today's topics clearly. Thank you students.